Dawah illallah is a privilege. So if you're in this line of duty, be mindful of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at all times. There is 0% room for personal pride, for arrogance, for ego. So to have the privilege to call yourself as a dawah carrier, check your heart. You must remove all ego, all pride, all arrogance from your heart. If your focus is Jannah, if your aim is Jannah, if the motive is Jannah and for Allah's pleasure, then there is no room for ego or pride. You can disagree with your dawah carrier brothers and sisters. You do not take this as a personal thing. Dawah collectively brings us together with one focus, seeking Allah's pleasure, one goal, establishing Allah's deen, with one motive, Jannah, towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because we belong to Allah and we go back to Allah, doing it for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this temporary world. So if you are part of dawah, remember your privilege. If you don't want to be part of that, if you detach from a movement, detach from any group, detach from any dawah project, please keep your mouth closed. Do not taint your honesty and your service to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Be mindful of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when he's speaking against anybody, because Allah is watching over all of us, and we as dawah carriers should remember this first and foremost. May Allah bless you all. May Allah accept all your sincere service. May Allah forgive all of our shortcomings.